Grade 1, this is 24 carats of rough opal from Lightning Ridge. This is a bit more of a gamble than I would normally pick for a grade 1 piece, but the strength of that red and the opportunity for that to go black in the middle, this is exactly the kind of piece that I love to cut. Like, it's a bit of a gamble, but when they do turn out, to pull a huge red and black piece out of something like this is that's a pretty good day. Doesn't give you a lot of hints, so your stone's probably, it's going to be up in here. I don't think there's any color